Diabetes is a common condition that affects many people all around the world. It happens when your pancreas stops producing insulin, or when your body is not able to properly use the insulin, which is present in the body. The common symptoms of diabetes are urinating more often than usual, especially at night, feeling very thirsty, unexplained loss of weight, itching around the penis or vagina, cuts or wounds that heal very slowly, blurred vision, feeling very tired. The bad thing about this disease is that it can cause many health problems such as poor vision, weakness, blindness, nerve damage, kidney failure, heart disease, erectile dysfunction in men. There are three types of diabetes: diabetes 1, diabetes 2, and gestational diabetes. Diabetes 1, which is also called juvenile diabetes, occurs when the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the beta cells of the pancreas that make insulin. Diabetes 2, which is also called adult onset diabetes, occurs when the body is not able to properly use the insulin that is released or does not make enough insulin. Gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy, especially in the second trimester of pregnancy. There are many natural remedies that can help to regulate the sugar levels in your blood, but this one is the most effective, and for its preparation you need only a few mango leaves. Here is how you can make this remedy. First, take 10 to 15 tender mango leaves, then boil them in a glass of water, and leave them to stay overnight. In the morning, alter the water and drink it on an empty stomach. For best results, you should use this method for 2 or 3 months. You can also dry the leaves in a dark place and ground them. Use half a teaspoon of this powdered mango leaves 2 times a day. These leaves are very beneficial for our overall health because they are rich in vitamins, enzymes, antioxidants, and many other minerals. They can treat many health conditions such as fever, diarrhea, insomnia, varicose veins, asthma, bronchitis, and colds. Also, these leaves can lower your blood pressure and strengthen your blood vessels.
Yeah.